So guys, can you see that I'm not on WhatsApp yet I'm getting call notifications from WhatsApp. In this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to disable call notifications on your WhatsApp. So I guess you're excited about that. So for you to do this, by the way, if you're new on this channel, this is Charles Chino. So and right here we talk about ways you can make money online and how to tutorials like this. So if this is your first time, do it to like this video, drop a comment and also subscribe to this channel. So for you to disable call notifications on WhatsApp so that you don't get to be disturbed on WhatsApp or by WhatsApp, come over to your WhatsApp right here. Peradventure you are using WhatsApp Business, it is pretty much the same setting. Just follow the step carefully. So come over to where you have these three dots up here. So once you click on the three dots, go to where you have setting. Once you click on setting, come over to where you have notifications. So once you tap on that, then over here you have to like scroll down till you find call notifications. Can you see it right here? So you can see it has ringtone 028 and vibrate is long. So once you tap on that, then over here you get to like tap on classic theme. Ensure you choose none as your ringtone. That's the very first step you have to take. There are three steps you should be taking and this is the first step. So the second step you should take is come over to where you have vibrate. You can see it as long as the vibrate. So tap on vibrate and come over to where you have off. So once you tap on off, it means we have successfully done 2 out of the 3 settings we must do if we don't want to receive call notifications from WhatsApp. So you can see there are so many other things you can do right here. You can also stop group messages notifications following the same process I just showed you right now. You can also stop personal message notifications. So many things, guys. But that's not the purpose of this tutorial. So let's focus on how you can stop call notifications from disturbing you on WhatsApp. So once you are done with these 2 settings I just showed you, let's talk about the third setting. So the third setting is you going to your phone setting. So once you go to your phone setting, then right here on your phone, you have to go to where you have app management. Go down, you see where you have apps, then tap on apps. Then right here you can see we have app management. So tap on app management, then you look for where you have WhatsApp. So WhatsApp should be down here. So I just look for WhatsApp down here. So I guess you can see WhatsApp. So I'll just tap on WhatsApp. So once I tap on WhatsApp right here, you can see manage notifications. It is set as allow. So I just tap on it, and so right here I'll just turn off this allow notifications. So the thing about this particular one is that if you turn this off, you will not receive message notifications, you will not receive group notifications. So but if you want it to be strictly you stopping call notifications from disturbing you, so just come down here to where you have call notifications. Can you see down here? So once you click on it, then can you see where you have allow notifications? You click on disable. So now let me just call my number one more time and see if truly I'll receive a notification from WhatsApp that a call is coming in. So you can see it is ringing right here and I'm not receiving any notifications right here on my phone. Can you see that? So it means we just basically blocked WhatsApp calls from disturbing us, especially when we are busy. So I just end this call. So what you do is you just manually go to your WhatsApp. Can you see? Hope you can see that. So right here it shows that a call actually came in at a particular time. Can you see that? Just 10:35 a.m. that call came in, same time we called the number. So that's basically how you go about blocking WhatsApp call notifications and ensuring that it doesn't disturb you again. So I believe you got value, guys. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.